Today, the Okinawans enjoy health standards higher than any they have ever known before. A small part of America's civil assistance program on Okinawa. Even the island's domestic animals must comply with preventive medicine regulations. If proper precautions are not taken, a sick dog today may spread disease tomorrow. Keeping the island's pets in good shape helps protect all of the human population. Quarantine prevents newly arrived animals from bringing in disease. Any suspected pet must spend his first few days in here. But the greatest single medical problem on Okinawa is the mosquito. The island abounds in ideal breeding places for mosquitoes known to carry malaria and yellow fever. It requires a constant program of scientific warfare to keep the mosquito problem under control. At regularly specified intervals, preventive medicine teams are sent out to scour the entire island, looking for breeding areas, collecting water samples, and studying the habits of the particular family of mosquitoes native to Okinawa. Although these teams have been fighting this problem for many years, they have never been able to eliminate mosquitoes entirely, but they have learned how to control them. Samples taken from suspected areas must be carefully isolated for future study. Some breeding spots can be detected with the naked eye, but as a rule, military scientists prefer to put water samples under microscopic examination. Laboratory facilities are not large, but they contain all the necessary equipment to do their job. When American forces first landed on Okinawa, there was not a single unpolluted water supply on the island. Today, men like these have succeeded in decontaminating almost every such source of disease. Scientific analysis reveals the exact content of every sample. Preventive medicine specialists then chart where remedial action is needed. In their headquarters, the Army scientists are able to plot out the exact location of every infected area and then plan their attack. Spraying by air using heavily concentrated liquid insecticides is one method. In this way, large areas may be decontaminated quickly and efficiently. Where breeding is concentrated, small teams using hand sprayers are usually called into action. Yes, these soldiers can relax and eat in comfort. They have no worries about their health. Keeping food supplies free from disease, the natives happy and healthy, and even the dogs looked after, is part of this scientific war against disease operated under the supervision of the Joint Committee of Preventive Medicine. Even on Okinawa, the American soldier remains the best cared for fighting man in the world. At play or on duty, these men are kept physically fit. Here on Okinawa, keystone of the Pacific, American soldiers protect American liberties. Proud, healthy fighting men, part of the greatest military team in history, the United States Army.
Yes, preventive medicine teams like the one you have just seen are teamed with the other medical facilities provided by the Army to make the American fighting man the best cared for soldier in military history. Now this is Sergeant Stuart Queen, inviting you to be with us again next week for another look at your Army in action on The Big Picture.
The Big Picture is a weekly television report to the nation on the activities of the Army at home and overseas. Produced by the Army Pictorial Center, presented by the United States Army in cooperation with this station. You too can be an important part of the big picture. You can proudly serve with the best equipped, the best trained, the best fighting team in the world today, the United States Army.